Are you ready to say goodbye to the countless apps cluttering your smartphone's home screen? Because according to Nothing CEO Carl Pei, that's exactly what's going to happen. He's predicting a future where AI agents take the place of traditional apps, revolutionizing the way we interact with our devices. This idea might sound like science fiction, but it's based on a fundamental shift in how we're designing systems to understand and respond to human needs. The idea that AI agents will replace apps is not just a passing thought. It's a vision for a future where technology is more intuitive and seamless. As we continue to develop more sophisticated AI systems, it's becoming clear that the traditional app-based model of smartphone interaction is limited. We're forced to download, install, and switch between numerous apps just to accomplish everyday tasks, from checking the weather to ordering food. But what if our devices could understand what we want to do, and then just do it, without us having to lift a finger or tap on a screen? That's the promise of AI agents, and it's an idea that's gaining traction in the tech world. Carl Pei's comments on the future of smartphone apps are particularly interesting because he's not just some futurist or technologist. He's the CEO of a company that's actively working on creating this future. Nothing is a tech startup that's already made waves with its innovative approach to smartphone design and functionality. Pei's vision for future without apps is based on the idea that AI agents can learn to understand our habits, preferences, and intentions, and then use that knowledge to simplify our interactions with technology. Imagine being able to tell your phone what you want to do, and then having it take care of all the details for you. Want to book a flight to New York? Your AI agent can handle the entire process, from searching for flights to checking you in. Want to order pizza? Your AI agent can place the order and even pay for it. This is the kind of seamless, intuitive interaction that Pei is talking about, and it's an exciting prospect. As AI agents begin to replace apps, we can expect to see some significant changes in the way we use our smartphones. For one thing, our home screens are going to look very different. Instead of being cluttered with icons for different apps, we'll have a more streamlined interface that allows us to interact directly with our AI agents. We'll also see a shift towards more voice-based interaction as AI agents become better at understanding natural language and responding accordingly. But what does this mean for everyday people? How will this change the way we live and work? The truth is, it's going to make our lives a lot easier. We'll have more time to focus on the things that matter because our AI agents will be handling all the mundane tasks for us. We'll also see a significant reduction in the amount of friction and frustration that comes with using technology. No more typing out passwords, no more searching for the right app, no more getting stuck in a loop of menus and sub-menus. The impact of AI agents replacing apps will be felt far beyond the tech world too. It's going to change the way businesses operate, the way we interact with each other, and even the way we think about work and leisure. As AI agents take over more and more tasks, we'll see a shift towards a more autonomous, self-directed way of living. We'll have the freedom to pursue our passions, to explore new ideas, and to connect with each other on a deeper level. Of course, there are also potential downsides to consider, such as the loss of jobs and the risk of AI systems becoming too powerful. But for now, the prospect of AI agents replacing apps is an exciting one, full of possibilities and promise. So what does the future hold for our smartphones and for the way we interact with technology? It's clear that AI agents are going to play a major role, and that the traditional app-based model is on its way out. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about all the possibilities that this new technology will bring. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and tech, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you all the latest news, trends, and analysis, so you can stay ahead of the curve and make the most of the exciting changes that are coming our way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.